Hey, what's going on, Riders of the Revolution? I'm a 30-year storyteller, written 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 spoken word CDs. Uh, this channel is based on how to self-publish, but mainly how to write a story. And the advice I'm going to give you is from the writer's perspective. So, I've done several videos on this, and I'm going to do another one because I keep getting these conversations with several people. I mean, everybody's writing a book. Um, had a conversation with someone day before yesterday. Again, somebody was like, "Oh, I'm writing a book. You know, I've been through a lot. This, and that." And I had to tell her, we all feel like we've been through a lot. Everybody wants to tell their story. Everybody thinks they've had a rough life, and not to even say whether they did or didn't. But we all feel that way. We all feel that we've been through some things. Some of us more than others, and but to an individual, they feel like that they've overcome so much, which is fine. It's fine, fine, fine. You know, so I tried to explain to her, well, what would your book be about? And basically, I'm talking to you, saying if you feel the same way, you've been through a lot, you want to write a book about it. So I broke it down to her, and I told her, and I'm telling you that because you've been through a lot doesn't mean that we want to read about your problems. You have to be able to incorporate what you've been through and how you've overcome it and what you've learned from it. And that way, when I pick up your book, I am getting something more than you just telling me, oh, I've been through a domestic violent relationship. I mean, the last 100,000 women been through that. I was at a food stamp office and whatever, whatever. So I was trying to explain to her that once you write a book and you're just writing what you went through, you're gonna have a pretty short book. You're gonna realize that you haven't been through as much as you thought because I mean, actually, it's funny. She did say that. She did say that she's kind of stuck because she thinks that her book needs to be 15 chapters long. So she don't really know. Basically, what she did was wrote down the stuff that she's been through, and that's it. She didn't put nothing else with it. Now, when I wrote my first book about what I've been through, I put my journey where I started in one place and I ended in another place, and in between the first and last place, I gave you a journey of everything that happened between and I also talked about the things that I learned. I talked about the things that I figured out and I had to overcome, and it really took you on a journey. If you go read the reviews on my first book, One Chance to Be a Man on Amazon, this is the autobiography of my life in Chicago and what I went through. It has a perfect 5-star rating. So I do know what I'm talking about and I do know how to write a story. And this One Chance to Be a Man is a book that you should go read. Order from Amazon to see. I think only the ebook is on Amazon. Or order the book, read it, and see how I tell my story and see how engaged that as a reader that you will get in my story. And that is how you need to approach your story. You need to take your reader on a journey. What separates you from this author telling this story than you telling yours? Not much. But the difference is where you are in life and how you look at life now versus where that person look at life. The bottom line, your book has to have substance. It can't just be this happened, that happened. It can't just be that. You have to have substance when you write a book. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Also, hit me up for one-on-one mentorship. If you are needing some guidance in writing your book, I can help you. Peace.